Melbourne's my home. I love that it's the world's most livable city, and I'd love it even more if it was the world's greenest city. Did you know we have a plan? Melbourne's working on recreating itself into an eco-city to build resilience and provide a future where locals are comfortable and not heat stressed, where space isn't wasted, it's alive with plants, and where buildings don't just provide a place to be, they contribute to the well-being of the occupants. Buildings in Melbourne are changing. In 2005, we had just 4 Green Star rated buildings in Victoria. Now we have 284, and there are many more with high neighbours ratings. Like Grocon, who created Pixel, the most awarded building in the world. With its unusual and innovative design, water treatment systems, non-toxic interiors, vacuum toilets, and a variety of renewable energy systems on the roof to see what works best in the city environment. And then there's the Forte building in Docklands, built by Lend-Lease, Australia's first Green Star rated apartments and the world's tallest apartment building in 2012. It was made of 485 tonnes of timber and 759 cross-laminated timber panels. It came across in 25 containers, flat packed on 2 ships, and saves over 1,451 tonnes of carbon. Amazing. And the interior was just beautiful, all non-toxic, beautifully wooden exposed, highly efficient building. It was also constructed in just 38 days with 6 workmen. Forte now provides beautiful sustainable living for all those lucky enough to live there. And just around the corner are some highly innovative commercial spaces, like Lifestyle Working on Collins Street. This is a partner project by Stable Group and Lend-Lease, and it's achieved a 5-star Green Star rating. This building has the first strata titled solar PV, so landlords and tenants can have their own on-site energy production. There's also some very cool electric scooters in the basement, powered by solar of course, for use of the tenants for running local messages around the city. And the light-filled and naturally ventilated common areas are there to promote health and well-being and are a pleasure to walk through. And what is the City of Melbourne doing? Quite a bit. They've got the wonderfully experimental Council House too, which is the home of the City of Melbourne Council offices, with its brightly coloured renewable energy helping to power the building and keep it as efficient as possible. Water cooling curtains, where the water is dropped 15 metres down the side of the building and cooled, is then reused to provide cooling inside for the retail spaces below. And the wooden shutters that move with the sun to provide just the right amount of light into the building. They also have supportive programs like the 1200 Buildings program, City Switch Green Office and environmental upgrade agreements, all making it easier for people to get help and to upgrade their properties.
Sustainable buildings is getting to a point where it's just normal. It's just good business sense. Fraser's has backed it wholeheartedly. Fraser's Property has backed it wholeheartedly. And it's being demanded by tenants. So it's being pushed and promoted from sort of every angle. And from a financial point of view, it's just good business sense.
Melbourne's greening the city from the inside out. And with so many benefits to businesses, people and place, it's creating a great future. Maybe in a few years we'll not only be the world's most livable city, we'll also be the greenest. And wouldn't that be something to be really proud of?